Hi, in this video I plan to show you a very useful feature of HTML, that is time series forecasting. I have shown you earlier also, but I want to show you an actual use case. So here if you look at this particular RBI website has data till April 24. In few days we'll get the data for May. I want to see that if at all I accumulate the last 25 months data and I want to forecast for, let's say, May, how accurate it will be. So what I have done here, I have already accumulated last 25 months of data in one place, and here I am going to use this particular data. So I will do a forecast for SBI, for HDFC and for ICICI. Here I'll put that forecast. In few days when the actual will come, I'll put it here. I will get the difference and I'll calculate the difference percentage in comparison of forecast, that or actual what was the forecasted and what we have got. So with that, let's get going. So here I have kept the tool ready. All I'm going to do is just going to read that data in this place. So first thing I will do, I will say that I am looking for time series forecast. Next, I will read that data which I showed you just now. So this is the data of last 25 months. Let me read the data. Once the data has come, I am going to use the visual filter to get the data for any particular bank. So in the beginning, let me just get it for SBI, and I am going to set parameter that I want to make forecast of total credit card purchase value. I am making 3 forecasts, but I will be bothered with just the first one. So let's just get going. So here in few seconds it should run the simulation and should give me the output. So let it just complete. I will copy and paste that output into Excel so that we all could see that how good the forecast came here, and when the data will get published here, we'll compare, so that, and I promised you that I'll publish the comparison also, so that you could see that how close the forecast came. So here we have got the data, got the ARIMA model, and here the forecast says that for SBI it should be close to 25,330 crore in this month. Let me put it here as the forecast. So that's the first forecast that we have done. I'm sorry, it has made some mistake, so I will put it there. Now let me do the forecast for HDFC. For that, all I need to do is just where I selected SBI, I will just go ahead and select HDFC in the apply filter section once again. So here let me select HDFC and remove SBI here, and let me set the model parameter again. So model parameter, we are bothered with the total purchase value. So let's do the forecast for another 3 period. Let's see that how does it go. It will run the simulation again and it will give the output that we are supposed to be getting. So in few seconds it should get completed. So here you go. I think it is done. It is completed all the simulations. No, it has yet to do simulation. So after simulation, according to this particular methodology, we are expected to get 42,755 crore spent for HDFC. I just hope that this will work for these banks. Now let's do the live forecast once again, this time for ICICI. So here I'll go once again, I'll go to the visual filter and I will change this time. I will change this time to ICICI. Let's see that what forecast we are getting for ICICI. I'll have to set model parameter again. So here let's just go ahead and select total credit card purchase. Let's do for 3 period. However, we'll be bothered with just the first period. So here the decomposition is taking place. Yes, simulation have started. Let's see what the forecast that we are getting. So here it is completed. Let's just see that what is the output that we have got. So it says that for ICICI we should expect 28,895 crore of spend in this particular month of May. So once the actual comes, what I'll do here, I will publish the actual versus forecast so that you could know the accuracy of the forecast. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the comparison result.